Kakain na kami, guys. Luto na yung aming dinner. Ginataang crab. Yan. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Yan. Tapos meron din pritong sibrim. Pritong sibrim. Yan. Kain na tayo, guys. Let's eat na.
Yan. Let's start. Let's eat together.